In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to change automatic request accept on Instagram. Let's get started. First, launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to profile page. Then click on three bars given at the top right. With that, you will be directed to settings and activity page. Once you're over here, scroll down. Find the option followers and invites. Click on that. Now here at the very top, you're gonna find the option of automatically confirm anyone you follow. Toggle off for this option. If this setting is turned on, people you follow may automatically become your followers without needing approval. So simply toggle it off. Once disabled, anyone who wants to follow your private Instagram account will be sent to your follow request section, where you can manually accept or decline each request yourself. This gives you more control over who can see your posts, stories, and profile content. And that's it. This is how you can easily turn off automatic follow requests on Instagram and manually manage your followers. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.